We'll guide you through how to use OBS to record your screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. OBS, known as Open Broadcaster software, is my favorite way to go and record my screen. I'm going to guide you through step by step what you need to do this. As well as recording, you can also stream with it as well. We are going to be focusing on the recording feature in this guide though. So to go and get started, we need to go and get OBS on a computer. So to go and do this, you need to go and open up a web browser like so, and you can come to Google. Then you can go and type in OBS like so, and come to the site obsproject.com. Here you can then go and choose the system you use. We're using Windows, so we can go and click there, and then it's going to go and download. So what you need to do is wait for the installer to go and download. When it's finished, you can go and open up your file explorer, find your downloads, and you can go and install it like any other application. It's really straightforward. So it's now finished. I've already just got it installed. Just go and save that step for you. As I said, it's like any other application. So press search on your computer, and you can then go and type in OBS Studio. Go and click on it like so. Now, the first time you go and open up, you go and get this prompt. So what we can do is select optimize just for recording. I'll not be streaming. So select that there. Next, you want to go and press next in the bottom right here, as this is going to help find the best settings for you. Keep watching though, as I'm showing you some key things you need to know throughout this video, so press next. For base canvas resolution, you want to go and select your display size. By default, we'll try and use 1080p, but I think it's worth using your display. So go and choose the display you want. Both of mine are the same, so that's not a problem. For FPS, you want to go and select 60. This will go and make it as smooth as possible, and it makes it just much nicer to go and watch back. Press next. Now it's going to go and find you the best encoders, qualities, and other settings here. Don't worry, I'm going to cover them again shortly. So press apply settings. So now here we go. We've now gone and sort of half set it up, but do keep watching as we still got more to do. So what you need to do is come to the bottom right in OBS, and you want to go and press settings. This will open up. Go to the left, and you need to go and find output. Go and set the mode to simple. We don't need to go and use advanced. So first of all, come into recording, and you can go and set the recording path. This is where the videos you record in OBS will be saved. So at the moment they're sent to my videos folder, but you want to press browse to the right, and you can go and choose where you want them. For example, you may prefer them in your document. So I'll select that there. Then we can press select folder, and that's what will be saved. For recording quality, I like to go high quality medium file size. You can go and set it higher to get higher quality, but you'll then notice the file size really does get bigger. So I find this to be a great sort of medium between file size and the quality. For format, I'd recommend using MP4. It's going to be the most compatible, so you can use hybrid just here, or you can use MPEG-4, but hybrid seems to work well for me. For encoder, what you can do is go and set NVENC. This is because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. Otherwise, you can use software. It doesn't matter, but yeah, that would be fine. And then I don't change the rest of these. Press apply in the bottom right. Next, you can come over to the left, and you want to choose audio. So for desktop audio, this is your computer sound. Choose your output. I use my speakers, so I'll select them. Then for your mic, you can go and choose that here. So I use my Shure mic, so I'll select that. Then you can go and press apply in the bottom right. Next, you can come to the left and choose video. So we did already set these. So for some reason here, it's gone and it's downscaling, which I don't want it to do. So you can select that here, press the arrow to the right, and you can go and set it to be the same. Otherwise, it will go and use a filter to go and downscale the resolution. Of course, you may want your recordings to be in 1080p. So if that's the case, you can go and set that, and you can then go and choose a downscale filter. You want to go and increase that though, otherwise you can go and use quality. But in this case, I like to record in the highest resolution possible, which is 2560 for me. Then you can go and set the FPS, 60 is going to be the best. Then you can press apply in the bottom right, and you can go and press hotkeys to the left. In here, you can go and choose a key to go and start and stop your recording, which is really useful. For example, you may want to go and use an F key like F9 or whatever to go and start and stop it. You can set that, press apply and press OK. Now you want to come back to the main OBS, and we can go and start using scenes. So by default, you're going to have a scene here already, which is fine. So we can use that. You can create more by pressing plus in the bottom left though. I could type in screen recording, then go and press OK. Now we need to come into sources and go and add in our screen. Press the plus to the left at the bottom, and then you want to go and find display capture like so and press OK. You can set the capture method to automatic, and we can now choose the display. This is super key if you've got multiple. I want to use my primary one, so I'll select that. You'll get a preview of it there. Then what you can do is go and press OK, and there it is. You've now got your screen here. Next, you want to come into audio mixer. Now I found that it's easy to go end up drowning out your mic with desktop audio. For example, if you're playing a game or you've got music in the background, that can be loud. So you may want to go and decrease this. Ultimately, what I recommend you do is you go and do a test recording with background or computer sound on, and then you can go and see, and you can speak in the recording to go and then balance it to your liking. So I'll go and keep it about -20, and that's it. So now we can go and press start recording. We're live. You can then minimize OBS. You'll see it's got that red icon, and we're now recording. And then when you're finished, you can come and return to OBS and press stop recording. And now you'll go and see where it's saved, so it's in our documents. So let me go and open up my file explorer and find that. You can see it's at the top here. I can double click on it to open it up, and we can then go and watch it back. That's it.